Okay, this is some massive glue pull repair stuff. Have a look at this. Look at this. Okay. Hello, I'm Martin from Dent-Remover in the UK.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name, sorry?
My name is Nicolò and he is Darius Barbiero.
Hello, how are you doing, sir? How are you doing? Could you tell us a bit more about your products?
Yeah, this is a system that allow to improve the PDR system, but with the bigger dent.
Okay, yeah, I like big dents. Well, I don't like big dents, but you know.
The big difference between us and the PDR system is that we have steel shape inside of all our pads.
Okay, yeah.
And then we have two specific kind of glue. With this kind of glue, we have the fast and the slow, and allows to pull all around the year.
Yeah, okay,
even when the climate is cold or very hot.
Okay, yeah.
All the pads has a specific shape that fit with the dent.
Okay, yeah.
And then you can join together more than one pads to obtain a huge dent repair.
Yeah, I mean, this is something. Yeah.
In this specific product, you could also pull this kind of dent, so a deep dent,
deep dent,
or by fitting the glue in this side and pull from this side, for example, on a fender.
All right, okay, yeah, that's interesting. Oh yeah, okay. Right. Nice. It's good idea that.
Then, by coupling any of the pads with a different pivot, you can join with different size of extractor.
Big slide on that.
So you can have a strong pull on a small pad, or a soft pull on a big pad.
Okay, yeah.
The system is completely full of possibilities.
Oh yeah, endless possibilities.
There is nothing that we can do.
Right, okay, yeah. Do you buy them individually or do you buy them in sets?
No, there are specific kits. From the beginning, you can start with just the wood box.
Okay, yeah.
That includes just one size of pads. So this size of pads or this size of, and the specific extractor. Or you can complete a set. You can buy a set
with the box
that has, starting from the slim, with just a single pulling, not joining together, or powered, but we have the basic, the standard, or the full.
Okay, we'll have a look at those.
Increasing the quantity of the tools inside the box, but also upgrading, so this could become as basic. Then it can become
intermediate and then
a full or I forget the name, sorry.
It's all right, it's like an expert. So you've got beginner, intermediate, and then expert.
Yeah, it's progressive.
Yeah, that's it, I'll tell you what, I've not seen this before, and I'm very interested in this type of, these big tabs. I mean, they are something special.
Yeah, but by the using of a eye bolt, you can also pull this way.
Okay.
Not only straight.
Right. Okay. Oh, very interesting. You've got all these ends
these are the
as well,
pivots.
so the ends can. Just have a look at this, George. So we've got the thread on there, and oops.
No
So
problem.
that twists. That goes in. Does that go in like that?
This doesn't fit.
Right, it
with
fits
this.
on the bigger one, sorry.
Yeah.
Fits in like that.
As you can see, the thread is bigger than the size of the head.
Yep, okay.
So you are applying to a bigger size of the pad a less size of strength.
You're matching,
You can increase or reduce.
That's it, Lovely.
Try to move ball bearings.
Okay,
Easy to move.
Oh yeah, it's very slidey. Some of them can get like grit inside, and then it's really hard.
Ball bearings, high performance ball
that's
bearing.
nice as that. Yeah, I'm very impressed with the kit.
But
It's
you
nice.
can also, with a hook and a
Yeah.
pulling tower.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
And I want to introduce also a new innovation that we will show in the exhibition Auto
Okay.
Promotech in May.
Yep.
Come and
Yeah,
follow,
okay.
please.
Just follow the man.
Unfortunately, we don't have
Oh,
here.
like a cage.
Yeah. There is a rail that moves all along,
Yeah, yeah.
and then there are two versions for how to move the arch.
Okay.
One with sliding
On like
on
a
the floor,
system, a jig system.
or by Venturi blowing.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
So you can place where you want
and it
then
sucks down.
suck and then it
Right.
stays.
That's very interesting, that, yeah.
We will present, we will show for the first time
Yeah.
in Bologna
Okay.
next month.
Right, nice. All right, lovely. Yeah, I'll give you my details. You have to send me some information on this because that is very interesting. I like stuff like this. It's great.
We will show this soon.
Very good. Thank you very much. I hope you have a
welcome.
really good time at the show. Okay.
Thank you.
Cheers. Thank you.